Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a rolling and credit or credit title with CapCut application. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone. And first of all, we need to create new project on CapCut. We can click on new project. And here we have to add background for our credit title. If you don't have background from your device, you can use the stock videos from CapCut. And here I'm just going to add this black background. Click on add. And after that, we can add the credit title to our video. We can click on the text and click on add text, and here I have copied my credit title to the clipboard, so I'm just going to paste the credit title. Okay, and click on the check mark. We can also customize the font if we want, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit, and we can make this text align with the background. You can set the duration of your background as long as you want it to be, and I'm just going to zoom out again. Okay, and if we want to create the rolling effect, we can use the keyframe. So you need to click on the text, and you have to add a keyframe. This is the keyframe button, and I'm going to I'm going to drag it down like this to make it disappear from the screen, and then we can scroll all the way to the right like this and add one more keyframe. And for the second keyframe, I'm going to drag it up like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. And I guess that's how we can create rolling and credit or credit title with CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.